In this video, I'm going to show you how to print your tax return using TurboTax Online. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, sign in to your TurboTax account, and then from the main page, which is Tax Home, you simply want to go over here to any of these tabs over here, and you want to open up where you left off. So for example, let's say you want to go inside Income and Expenses. So just click on Continue, Start, Review and Edit, or pick up where you left off. So whichever button you want to choose, just click this blue button, any of these blue buttons over here, it can be any of them, and from here you'll be able to now see this left bar menu over here with a bunch of different options. Before, there were just these two. Now, what you want to do if you want to actually print your tax return, you want to go over here down below to where it says Tax Tools. You want to click on this, and from here it says Print Center. So click on Print Center, and then from this page, you will now have to select a button which says over here, Print, Save, or Preview this year's return. Now just click on that, and from here you will just have to follow any additional instructions that pop up. And now once you answer all the questions and basically go through this form over here, your PDF will open in Adobe Acrobat Reader, and then you will have to basically just select the printer icon, and you can then make any adjustments in the print window, and after that select Print, and you'll successfully be able to print your tax return using TurboTax Online. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.